Hi students, good morning. In previous class, we have left this question: y is equal to tan inverse of sin x by 1 plus cos x. Then find dy by dx. dy by dx. Right? This is inverse trigonometry functions. If it is inverse trigonometry function, first let us make it simplest form by using trigonometric formulas. Y equal to, this is a big function. Now make it in the simplest form. Tan inverse of sin x equal to 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 of angle form. 1 plus cos x equal to 2 cos square x by 2. Y equal to tan inverse of 2 get cancelled, cos get cancelled, sin x by 2 by cos x by 2. Y equal to tan inverse of tan of x by 2. So y equal to tan inverse of tan x is x. By inverse trigonometric function, tan inverse of tan theta equal to theta. So tan inverse of tan x by equal to x by 2. This is the simplest form of this. See, it look like big function. Now we made it very easy. After making the simplest form, now we apply differentiation. dy by dx equal to d by dx of x by 2. 1 by 2 take constant, d by dx of x. The derivative of x is 1, so 1 by 2. These are inverse trigonometric functions. Now we have to make the simplest form. First, y equal to sin inverse of 2 power x into 2. Can I write like this? A raised to m into a raised to n, a power m plus n, divided by 1 plus 4 power x. Can I write like this? 2 power x whole square. 2 power x whole square, 2 square, 4 power x. Understood? Now I am taking, let 2 power x is equal to, considering 2 power x is equal to tan theta. Let 2 power x equal to tan theta. Then theta is equal to tan inverse of 2 power x. Tan inverse of 2 power x. Y equal to sin inverse of 2 into 2 raised to x tan theta. 2 raised to x tan theta. By 1 plus 2 power x equal to tan theta whole square. Y equal to sin inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Tan 2 theta, sin 2 theta, sin 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Sin 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. This is equal to sin 2 theta. Right? So sin inverse of sin theta is theta, where theta is 2 theta. Now this is y equal to, theta is unknown. Now convert it to this, tan inverse of 2 power x. This is the shortest form of this. Now we have applied differentiation. dy by dx. dy by dx equal to 2 constant d by dx of tan inverse 2 raised to x. Tan inverse 2 raised to x. We know the formula dy by dx equal to 2 into, this is in the form of tan inverse x. Tan inverse x. What is the derivative of tan inverse x is? 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 by 1 plus x square. Therefore, d by dx of tan inverse x equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. Right? Now, 1 by, this is considered as x. 1 by 1 plus x 2 raised to x whole square into d by dx of x. This is 2 raised to x. 1 by 1 plus x square into d by dx of 2 power x. 2 by 1 plus 2 power x whole square is 4 power x. This 2 raised to x, a raised to x derivative is a raised to x into log e. Then 2 power x derivative is 2 power x into log 2 base e. So this is the answer. 2 power 1 into 2 power x equal 2 power x plus 1 into log 2 base e by 1 plus 4 power x. If y equals cot inverse of root 1 plus sin x plus root 1 minus sin x whole divided by root 1 plus sin x plus minus root of 1 minus sin x, then find dy by dx. So inverse trigonometry is very big function. So we are make it simplest form, right? How we can first consider this? Consider root of 1 plus sin x equal 1. Can I write like this? Sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 equal to 1 plus this is written half angle form 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Correct? Sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 is 1 plus sin x half angle 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2, which is equal to under root of cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, a plus b whole square. Or you can write sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 also. Square root cancel. So which is equal to cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Okay? And there will be domain also. Domain is 0 less than x less than pi by 2. 0 less than x less than pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2 both are positive. Next, similarly, root of 1 minus sin x equal root of 1 cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 minus sin x equal to 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2, which is equal same cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 minus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. A1 is the whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay. Here cos x by 2 in between. X lies between 0 to 90 means first quadrant. Okay. Any angle you can take 45 degrees. 60 you can take. 60 by 2 30. 60 by 2 30. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. Sin 30 1 by 2. So which is bigger than this. Okay, if it is bigger than this means you will get positive, then square root cancel. Okay, if it is big, if it is small and if it is bigger, then cancellation not possible. Are you following? Understood? If you take above 90 here, above 90, cos is negative, sin is positive. So you will get here negative, then square root not cancel. Root x square equal to mod x. When mod x equal to x, if x is greater than 0, positive. If it is positive, only x. If it is positive, square root cancel. Cos of x by 2 minus sin of x by 2. This is root of 1 minus sin x. Right? Now, cot inverse y is equal to cot inverse root of 1 plus sin x plus root of 1 minus sin x by root of 1 plus sin x minus root of 1 minus sin x equal to cot inverse root of 1 plus sin x is cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. This is the equation. Okay, and divided by root of 1 plus sin x is cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2 minus minus plus sin x by 2. Here minus minus this. This is get cancelled. This is get cancelled. So cot inverse of cos x by 2 plus cos x by 2 equal to 2 cos x by 2. Sin x by 2 plus sin x by 2 equal to 2 sin x by 2. This get cancelled. Cot inverse of cot x by 2. So y equal to cot inverse of cot x by 2 equal to x by 2. X by 2. Then this is the short form of that. Okay. See, finding differentiation direct is very difficult. But after making simplest form, very easy differentiation, dy by dx. dy by dx equal to 1 by 2 constant d by dx of x. X value is 1, which is equal to 1 by 2. This is nice. See, differentiation is only one step. But up to this you have done simplification. Okay. This is you will get inverse trigonometric functions. This is complete up to this inverse trigonometric function concept. Only differentiation is this one. Okay. Next, if y equals sine inverse of 3x minus 4x cube, then find dy by dx. Yes. So this is also inverse trigonometric function. First we'll make the simplest form. 3x minus 4x cube, if there means to make the simplest form, that x is equal to sin theta. Then 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta equal to sin 3 theta. Okay, let x is equal to sin theta. Then theta equal to sin inverse x. So y equal to sin inverse of 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Right? Y equal to sin inverse of 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta equal to sin 3 theta. So y equal to 3 theta. Y equal to 3 theta sin inverse x. This is the shortest form of this. Then apply differentiation. dy by dx equal to 3 into d by dx of sin inverse x. So 3 into sin inverse x derivative is 1 by root of 1 minus x. Okay? Wait. One more. If y equal to cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x, then find dy by dx. It's also same 4x cube minus 3x. Tell me, let x is equal to cos theta. Then theta equal to cos inverse x. So y equal to cos inverse of 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So cos inverse of cos 3 theta. So y equal to cos inverse of cos theta 3 theta. Y equal to 3. Theta is cos inverse x. So dy by dx equal to 3 constant d by dx of cos inverse x. So 3 into cos inverse x is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x. See, up to this inverse trigonometric concept. Up to this inverse trigonometric function, differential is this much. Okay, so that is, if any inverse trigonometric function, if they ask those functions, if you want to find differentiation, first you make it into the simplest form, then find differentiation. Direct if you find, it takes time, and sometimes you can't reach this answer also by applying. Direct if you apply, if you take this as x. If you apply sin inverse x derivative is 1 by root of 1 minus x square, like this. Sin inverse x derivative is 1 by under root of 1 minus x, where x is 3x minus 4x cube whole square into this derivative. Like this if you do, it takes time. Okay, that's why be careful while doing the differentiation. If you find If any inverse element functions are there, first you make it to the simplest form if possible. Otherwise, directly to the form. So it's possible. Then you make it simplest form. Then find differentiation. If y equals tan inverse of root of 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x, then find dy by dx. dy by dx. Okay. First make it shortest form. Y equal to tan inverse of under root of 1 minus cos x equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta from 2 sin square theta. Most important is this formula will be repeated. You will get many times in the second year. 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta. 1 minus cos theta equal to 2 sin square theta. Okay. Now 1 minus cos theta equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. This is the formula. So now 1 minus cos x equal to 2 sin square x by 2. Similarly, 1 plus cos 2 theta equal to 2 sin square theta. 1 plus cos theta equal to 2 cos square theta. 2 cos square theta by 2. 2 cos square x by 2. Get cancelled. Y equal to tan inverse of square root of tan square x by 2. Y equal to tan inverse of square root cancel tan x by 2. Y equal to tan inverse of tan x by x by 2. This is the shortest form of that. Then now differentiation. dy by dx equal to d by dx of x by 2. So which is equal to 1 by 2. If y equals tan inverse cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x, 0 less than x less than pi, then find dy by dx. This is last time CET. This is called domain. In this interval, this is exists. So y equal to tan inverse of divided by cos x minus sin x divided by cos x, numerator and denominator, cos x plus sin x divided by cos x. Y should make that. You get it further. Next step. Cos x by cos x 1. Sin x by cos x tan x. By cos x by cos x 1. Plus sin x by cos x is tan x. See? Do you know 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x? 1 can I write like this? Tan of pi by 4 minus tan x. Tan 45 equal to 1. By 1 plus tan of pi by 4 into tan x. Tan of pi by 4 is 1. 1 into tan x, tan x. Tan pi by 4 minus tan x. By 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x. Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B. Tan of A minus B. Tan of pi by 4 minus x. This is equal to tan inverse of tan of pi by 4 minus x. So y equal to pi by 4 minus x. Finish. This is the shortest form of that. Then find differentiation. dy by dx equal to d by dx of pi by 4 minus x. d by dx of pi by 4 minus d by dx of x. Pi by 4 differentiation 0 minus x differentiation is 1. which is equal to -1. Equal to tan inverse of 1 by root of x square minus 1. Then find dy by dx. Here you should take x is equal to some function, trigonometric function. Understood? Here let x is equal to, how to take, I said already in the previous class. If x square minus 1 is there, what is the substitution? Put x is equal to either sec theta or cosec theta. Sec theta or cosec theta. So let x is equal to sec theta. Then theta is equal to sec inverse x. Understood? So y equal to tan inverse of 1 by root of secant square theta minus 1. Tan inverse of 1 by secant square theta minus 1 equal to tan square theta. Tan square theta. So tan inverse of 1 by tan square theta means tan theta. Okay? Tan inverse of 1 by tan theta is cot theta. Y is equal to tan inverse of, this you convert in tan form, tan of 90 minus theta. Okay? So y equal to pi by 2 minus theta. Pi by 2 minus theta. This is theta of x. So y equal to pi by 2 minus, where theta is sec inverse x. Now the shortest form of that, now dy by dx equal to d by dx of pi by 2 minus sec inverse x. Pi by 2 differentiation is 0. Sec inverse x is 1 by x into under root of x square minus 1. Okay? Here some students get doubt. I took x is equal to sec theta. Why not x equal to cosec theta? You can take x equal to cosec theta also, you can take. We get answer? See. If it is like this, you can take either sec theta or cosec theta. Okay? Let x is equal to cosec theta. Then theta is equal to cosec inverse x. Y is equal to tan inverse of 1 by root of cosec square theta minus 1. Tan inverse of 1 by root of cot square theta. Tan inverse of root cot square theta means 1 by cot theta. 1 by cot theta equal to tan theta. Y is equal to theta. Tan inverse of tan theta is theta. Where theta is cosec inverse x. Then dy by dx equal to d by dx of cosec inverse x. The cosec inverse x already is minus 1 by x under root of x square minus 1. Check the answer. Here 0 minus minus. Okay? If it is 1 plus x square is there, either x is equal to tan theta or cot theta. Okay? 1 minus x square is there, either x is equal to sin theta or cos theta. Previous class have discussed it. Okay? Tan inverse of root of 1 plus x square minus 1 by x, where x not equal to 0, find dy by dx. Okay, actually as per textbook very less problems are there. Now I am doing many problems. Okay, because for practice purpose which is useful. Differentiation, to get concept you have to practice many problems. Then only you can get the concept. Not only the prescribed books problems. Other than that, many you should practice because which is useful for competitive, JEE and competitive. Okay? Because there, as per theory, only few. It is not important for theory, but competitive which is important. Concept is important. 1 plus x square is there. Tell me, let x is equal to tan theta or cot theta. Then theta equal to tan inverse of x. Y equal to tan inverse of root of 1 plus tan square theta minus 1. by x is tan theta. Tan inverse of root of 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. Square root cancel, sec theta minus 1 by tan theta. Tan inverse of sec theta we can get 1 by cos theta minus 1 by tan theta. Tan inverse of LCM cos theta 1 minus cos theta. Here divided by sin theta by cos theta. Is get cancelled. Y equals tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. Tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. Sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Get cancelled. Tan inverse of sin theta square cancel. Sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. Get cancelled. So tan inverse of tan theta by 2. So y equal to theta by 2. Y equal to 1 by 2. Theta is tan inverse x. This is short form of that. Now dy by dx equals half into d by dx of tan inverse x. Half into tan inverse x derivative is 1 by 1 plus x. 1 by 1 plus x.